The middle layer serves as the tuning fork resonator plate, which generates sound effects through vibrations. If your finger makes contact with the surface during the sliding motion, it cannot produce sound. The correct practice is to avoid contacting the middle tuning fork plate as much as possible when sliding. After each slide, the thumb should quickly leave the surface of the fidget slider to make the sound effect more prolonged. Tuning fork fidget slider with similar structures share the same usage techniques.